Welcome back to channel. Today, we're unboxing and reviewing the DJI Neo, the latest addition to the DJI family. With its compact design and advanced features, this drone is set to revolutionize content creation. Design. The DJI Neo is designed with both practicality and portability in mind, making it an excellent choice for casual drone enthusiasts and professionals alike. Weighing just 135 grams, is one of the lightest drones on the market, allowing for easy transport without sacrificing performance. This compact design is reminiscent of the DJI Spark, a popular model known for its user-friendly features and convenience. Despite its small size, the DJI Neo is equipped with a 1,435 mAh battery, which offers impressive flight times of up to 18 minutes on a single charge. This extended flight time is ideal for capturing more footage without the need to frequently land and recharge, making it perfect for outdoor adventures or quick aerial shots in urban environments. The lightweight design also contributes to the drone's agility and ease of control, allowing for smooth and responsive flight. The sleek and minimalistic aesthetic of the DJI Neo not only looks modern, but also enhances its aerodynamic performance. Its streamlined body reduces air resistance, enabling the drone to achieve stable flight even in windy conditions. This design choice ensures that the DJI Neo is both practical and visually appealing, catering to users who value both function and form. Overall, the DJI Neo's design emphasizes practicality without compromising on quality, offering a balanced combination of portability, extended battery life, and sleek aesthetics. Whether you're a hobbyist looking for an easy-to-use drone or a professional needing a reliable tool for quick captures, the DJI Neo is designed to meet those needs effectively. Features and modes. The drone comes loaded with a range of impressive features and modes designed to enhance your flying experience. One standout feature is palm takeoff, which allows you to launch the drone directly from your hand with ease. This feature is particularly useful for quick deployment, eliminating the need for a flat surface. Another powerful capability is AI tracking. This mode enables the drone to automatically follow a subject, whether it's a person, vehicle, or animal. By recognizing and locking onto the subject, the drone ensures that it stays in focus, capturing dynamic shots without manual control. The drone also offers 6 quick shots. These are pre-programmed flight patterns to help you capture cinematic footage effortlessly. Whether you're looking for a dramatic reveal, a smooth orbit, or a sweeping landscape shot, these quick shots make it simple to achieve professional-looking results. For control, the drone provides multiple options. You can choose between a traditional controller, your smartphone, or even gesture controls. This flexibility allows you to fly the drone in a way that feels most comfortable and intuitive to you. Finally, Sport mode is available for those who want to push the drone to its limits. In this mode, the drone becomes more responsive and agile, allowing for faster speeds and sharper turns. It's perfect for experienced pilots looking to challenge their skills and capture thrilling aerial footage. Overall, these features and modes combined offer a versatile and user-friendly flying experience, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned drone enthusiast. Camera and connectivity. Capture stunning 12MP photos and 4K video with ease. The DJI Neo also features Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity for up to 50 meters range and voice control with a dedicated remote control. Launch date. The DJI Neo is designed for stable flight and easy content creation. Mark your calendars for August 20th, when this piece goes on sale. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.